Your phone is great until it panics at dim restaurants and zooms with the grace of a potato. Point and shoots fix that. Bigger sensors, real optics, and a shutter that actually listens. In this video of the best point-and-shoot cameras, we'll weigh pocketability, zoom range, autofocus speed, 4K chops, and battery sanity. From travel snaps to low-light portraits, these little rigs deliver crisp memories without lens swapping or a PhD in menus. Grab one, press the button, and let the camera earn the nostalgia. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in! Number 5. Sony DSC-W800, our pick for best budget point-and-shoot camera. If you want a wallet-friendly camera that actually shows up when you need it, the Sony DSC-W800 is your reliable little co-pilot. You get 5 times optical zoom that jumps from group shots to close-ups without turning everything into mush, plus optical image stabilization to keep your hand's morning coffee energy from wobbling the shot. That 130mm reach gives you flattering portraits from a comfortable distance so your friends won't freeze like deer in headlights. You're not lugging gear, you're living life. So 720p HD movie mode is perfect for quick clips of birthdays, brunches, and did you see that moments. Press record, capture the memory, move on. No classes required. And because the W800 is pocketable and simple, you'll actually take it places, which is half the battle to getting photos you love. Metering, exposure, focus. This little Sony handles the nerdy stuff while you focus on the fun stuff. Menus are clean, buttons are obvious, and the results look way better than your dusty old phone from 3 upgrades ago. You'll get crisp snaps for sharing today and printing tomorrow without dipping into rent money. If you've been waiting for a sign to stop overthinking and start shooting, this is it. The W800 keeps things easy, steady, and sharp, so you can spend less time fiddling and more time collecting moments that matter. Number 4. Canon PowerShot V10, our pick for best point-and-shoot camera for vlogging. If you want a pocket-friendly vlog rig that's ready the second inspiration strikes, the Canon PowerShot V10 is your grab-and-go storyteller. You get a 1-inch 15.2 megapixel backside illuminated sensor that holds its own in low light, a fixed 19mm equivalent wide lens for arm's-length framing, and a retractable front-facing screen so you can nail composition without guesswork. Roll crisp 4K at up to 30 frames per second, or switch to Full HD 60 for extra smooth motion. Dial in a vibe fast with 14 movie color filters, no editing degree required. Audio matters, so Canon built in a pair of quality stereo mics, plus a third mic to tame background noise. When you want to level up, plug in an external mic via the 3.5mm jack. Feed clean video through micro HDMI, and keep rolling with USB-C charging. The genius bit? An integrated stand that flips forward or backward for instant. Hands-free angles on a desk, counter, or park bench. No tripod tantrums. Subject detection helps keep faces locked. Menus are friendly, and the form factor disappears into small bags and big days. If you're ready to stop overpacking and start publishing, the PowerShot V10 gives you the wide view, stable footage, clean sound, and zero-fuss setup your channel deserves, so your next upload looks intentional even when it's wonderfully spontaneous. Still searching for the perfect point-and-shoot camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. OM System Tough TG7, our pick for best rugged waterproof point-and-shoot camera. If your adventures laugh at bad weather and bumpy trails, the OM System Tough TG7 is the tiny tank you want in your pocket. You can dunk it, drop it, and drag it through dust. Then keep shooting. It's waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof, plus crush-proof up to 100 kg force and freeze-proof down to -10 degrees Celsius, so you stop babying your gear and start chasing the fun. You get 4K movies for crisp travel reels, along with panorama and high-speed movie modes when the action kicks up a notch. Digital stabilization helps keep things steady when you're sprinting, splashing, or clinging to a kayak. At just 249 grams, it's lighter than the previous version, which means you'll actually bring it everywhere. Love tiny details? The variable macro system turns small into spectacular, letting you capture textures, droplets, and critters up close. Want range without bulk? The lens reaches out to 100 millimeters, so you cover sweeping scenes 1 minute and flattering close-ups the next. Buttons are glove-friendly, menus are straightforward, and the build screams, "Let's go!" instead of "Please be careful." You show up with the energy. The TG7 shows up with the proof. If you want a rugged, worry-proof camera that thrives where phones tap out, grab the TG7 and collect receipts from every splash, slam, and cold snap. Number 2. Nikon COOLPIX P1000, our pick for best super zoom bridge point and shoot camera. If you want to bring distant worlds right into your viewfinder, the Nikon COOLPIX P1000 is your spaceship with a wrist strap. You get a mind-bending 125 times optical zoom, an equivalent 3000 millimeters reach, so the moon, shy wildlife, and stadium nosebleeds all feel front row. You'll shoot crisp 4K Ultra HD video with stereo sound, and the HDMI Out Plus accessory hot shoe mean you can rig mics, lights, or monitors like a mini film set. Prefer to keep it simple? Auto modes deliver easy wins. Want full control? Manual exposure, focus options, and pro-style metering let you dial things in exactly how you like. Low light? The bright wide-end aperture helps, and dual detect style stabilization picks up the slack. Fast action? Fire off bursts up to 7 frames per second at full resolution. Handy when the eagle blinks or the striker finally connects. Buttons are confidence-inspiring, the grip is rock solid, and the menus don't make you feel like you're decoding ancient runes. You're not just zooming, you're storytelling from impossible distances. If you've ever wished your lens could go just a little farther, this one goes a lot farther. The P1000 puts outrageous reach, steady footage, and real creative control in your hands, so your next too far away moment becomes your best shot of the day. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Sony RX100 VII, our pick for best point and shoot camera overall. If you want a pocket camera that keeps up with your brain and your thumbs, the Sony RX100 VII is your overachieving sidekick. You get lightning-fast 0.02 second autofocus with 357 phase detect and 425 contrast detect points, so your kid's sprint, your dog's zoomies, and your friend's dramatic hair flip all stay tack sharp. Image stabilization, both optical and digital, keeps handheld shots steady, even when you're powered by too much coffee. You'll zoom from wide to a portrait-friendly 72mm without swapping lenses, and the metering smarts help you nail exposure whether you're under neon signs or midday sun. Want pro-looking video without hauling a rig? Shoot 4K with S-Log3 for flexible color grading, add your external mic via the built-in jack, and record vertical video with orientation data so your social posts don't need gymnastics later. Active mode. Stabilization in 4K smooths out your walk and talks. And interval shooting turns everyday scenes into cinematic time lapses while you enjoy, life. You're not just catching memories, you're curating them. The RX100 VII slips into your pocket, fires up instantly, focuses faster than you can blink, and plays nicely with Sony's Movie Edit add-on for quick, polished edits. If you want big camera results without big camera baggage, this is the point and shoot that lets you travel light, shoot sharp, and look like you planned it all along. Woo! We made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best point and shoot cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also let us know in the comments which point and shoot camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.